How to use Instagram archive settings. Hi guys, let's get started. Instagram archive is a feature that allows you to hide your posts from your profile without deleting them. And here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram application on your phone and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now select the post that you want to archive. And tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of your post and simply select archive from the list of options. Your post will now be moved to your archive folder, which is accessible from your profile. To view your archive folder, go to your profile and again tap on the three horizontal line in the upper right corner and tap on archive with the clock-like icon from the list of menu. From here, you can view all your archive posts and you can unarchive any post by tapping on it, tapping on the three-dot menu and selecting show on profile. That's it. You can use Instagram archive to hide posts from your profile or automatically save your stories to your archive folder. So we hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more great contents. Thanks for watching.